Welcome to Jet Virtual Academy. We're going to be delving into corrective colour and in particular colour banding removal. So what is colour banding? Colour banding, or otherwise referred as the halo effect, is a term used by colourists to describe the band or halo which can be seen when you overlap colour onto previously coloured hair, leaving you with a darker colour stripe which wrap around the head in a not so angelic halo effect. This usually occurs when you have stretched out your recolouring applications and left your regrowth for a little too long and applied all over colour which double up and over the previously coloured hair. And hello halo. Given that no one wants dull hair, we will give you the colourist tips on how to avoid unwanted colour banding. So let's take a look at what we're working with today. Our high-mid area is reflecting a base or depth of a 2. As you can see on the ends, they're a lot lighter at about a base 7. We need to correct this all over. Section your panel off and take a look at those colours. The root area is a natural base 6, the mids are a 2 and the ends are a 7. So we know we need to lift that middle colour banding area. In order for me to get rid of this halo effect through the centre, I need to mix lightening product and apply only to that middle area. Working in super fine sections will ensure product penetration and saturation. This will give you the most even result possible. Apply your product neatly, ensuring you're only working on the halo section, which is our base 2 area. When working up towards the base 6 and towards the bottom at the base 7, feather that product so you're not ending up with a harsh line throughout that halo. Progress using the same technique all the way up your section of hair. To ensure a tapered gradient effect, feel free to do a light comb through that mid area. This will prevent any harsh lines. Once satisfied with your application, use a wide tooth comb to prevent excess product on the hair and also ensure that it's evenly distributed throughout. Keep an eye on the development time. When you're happy that it's lifted enough, that's when you're going to rinse the hair and use a clarifying shampoo to remove all that additional product. How can we prevent colour banding? Timing is absolutely key. It's helpful to maintain a schedule of regular root touch-ups to avoid colour banding. Encourage your clients to make an additional appointment for a regrowth application every 4 to 6 weeks. Now let's take a look at neat application and techniques. Root touch-ups mean root touch-ups only. The key is to avoid overlapping the new colour application with parts of the hair that have been previously coloured. Use the tint brush to apply the colour only to the new growth, right up to the line between new growth and the previously coloured hair. Upon removing my lightening product, I check the hair for evenness throughout. If I feel that it slightly reflected a lighter or darker hue, you can apply a depth all over that section. If you want to refresh those mids and ends, you can do so after applying the mixture to the root area for 10 to 15 minutes of processing time first. In terms of adding vibrancy or restoring minimal depth and tone, you may want to consider using a semi or quasi colour. Thank you for joining us today, and make sure you tag us on Instagram using the hashtag JetVirtual.